Cephalotus preparing to overwinter. Placement. In winter, it may wither and die if the temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius. So, if the days are too cold, move it to a place above 10 degrees Celsius. Watering. You can water without any particular concern during winter. However, do not water early in the morning or at night because it is cold. If possible, give plenty of water during warmer hours. About sunlight in winter. Winter is a difficult season to manage both in terms of sunlight hours and solar radiation angle. Our recommendation is to grow Cephalotus indoors in an aquarium. Cephalotus can be grown outdoors or indoors over winter. There is no special equipment required for outdoor growing. However, if the growing medium freezes, to heat the soil a little, you can use an aquarium or a plastic greenhouse to increase the temperature. If you are indoors, you can also use LED lights, although this may cost a little more money. In case of management with LED lights, it is easier to change the temperature and adjust the amount of sunlight. In addition, the temperature can be kept close to 10 degrees Celsius with only an aquarium and LED lights. It is easy to manage. Repotting. There is no fixed time for repotting Cephalotus. Unless it is extremely hot or cold, repotting can be done at any time.